Welcome to my vlog. Ngayon ay we're going to Lumina Homes. Ibisitahin natin ang aking best friend. And this is my first time to ride the Joy Ride. And it's amazing, you know. So now, nandito na po tayo sa kanilang bahay. At ang ganda ng bahay nila, napaka-cute and amazing. At ito nga po pala ang aking BFF na si Jov and si Friendship Joy. Look at her. Here we go. Smile. Smile, Joy. Hi, Joy. Hi, Joy. And then, yeah, we're just having fun meeting each other after 9 years. And yeah, see you to the next chapter of this vlog. Medyo nahihiya po siya dito sa video na to, pero sige lang bes, kanta lang bi. Oh yes.
Nga, bitawan mo nga. Paano model ng ng ilaw sa labas eh? Pakita mo. Paano mag-model?
Wait!